Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nizzymacllc and I'm back on the track. Thanks for dropping in, y'all. So today we got a banger. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. If you don't get this wig, you missing out. Like, what? I'm so feeling this wig, y'all. Like, this is gonna be a short review because there's no cons on this one. Well, there is like a few, but like they're not cons. They're just stuff I gotta tell you about, okay? But anyways, if you guys are new here, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever it is that your girl posts, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this human hair wig, girl. Like, it's definitely giving, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys. I can't wait to tell you guys about this one for sure. So let me pull up all the information here, y'all. This wig is from Wiggins Hair. I've never worked with this company before. I've always wanted to. They finally reached out, and yeah, I am impressed, okay? Like, what? So this is their Ready and Go Wig-Glueless Body Wave pre-cut HD lace closure human hair wig, y'all. So it's really bomb. They say no glue needed, 3 seconds install with pre-cut lace. It's pre-plucked, small invisible knots. Like, this one is giving, okay? Like, it honestly took me like 10-15 minutes to like get it all like how I wanted it and stuff. Honestly, I could have just threw it on and went, but I had to kind of flat iron this part to my head. I feel like you need to do that with every wig, so I'm not gonna like say that counted as the preparation, you know, but whatever. Looks like they got extra $30 off with the code Glueless, y'all. So make sure y'all check that out. So this lace, this is a 7x4, you guys. So it goes like almost to my edges. It stops right there. And you get 4 inches of parting space. They also have this one in 5x5. I think the 7x7 gives you more of a frontal effect. However, the wig cap, I did get a size large in this wig cap, y'all. And it's still kind of a bit snug just because I have locks under here, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. But I got the wig cap in the size large, and y'all, they say this is 22 inches. It doesn't look 22 inches, especially when curled, but when I stretched it out, it kind of was like it was a few pieces that was down there, and I think it's because of the way that they layered it. So this comes layered and curled already, so real bomb. So for this specific unit, we're looking at $259. But they do have some codes, and I think I do have a code as well. I'll leave it down below in the description box, y'all. But yeah, you can see all the reviews. I think these are real reviews because this is exactly how the wig looks, y'all. Like 180 density Swiss lace. It says this is a customized product. Y'all, this one is bomb, okay? So let me talk about it. So in the box they'll send you a few goodies. You get like a wig brush, I mean an edge brush, an elastic band, some lashes, like, you know, a little wig cap stuff. They'll give you that, and they give you a wig bag as well to store the wig in. I love when they do that because I put it in there and it keeps the hair from like getting all nasty and stuff or whatever. But yeah, I really like that. I liked all the gifts they sent me and everything. So let's talk about the wig, y'all. The cap construction is really good, y'all. This is on here. It's not going anywhere, and I repeat, I do not have it glued down at all. Like, this is bussing, y'all. Like, what? 7x4. So the lace stops right at the edges. So if you're kind of like wanting that look, I would glue it down and then kind of swoop my own edge, but you really don't need to, y'all. It's like not necessary because it's not even showing. So the lace is super soft. Now when I did get it, it was kind of like a white transparent color, but once I added the ruby kisses. This is the godsend, y'all. If y'all don't have this, you need it. I use it with like every wig install. This is the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. This is be listed in my Amazon store under wig tools you must have. Okay, so this specific one is number 12. So it comes with 2 different colors. I use the darker color for like the edge of my lace because you kind of want to when I kind of learned that you need to use a darker color on the lace because like the eye is drawn to it. So the darker it is, the more kind of it disappears, which it does. I love it. And then I used a lighter color for the part. So I love this. I'm almost gonna hit pan on this, so I probably need to order another one. But y'all, I love this. Okay, so get this. But yeah, like I said, once I tinted the lace with that, oh my god, you can see a difference. So I definitely think this lace is like clear, transparent. So you will need to tint it depending on your skin tone. But it's just a matter of adding a little bit of makeup. If you don't have that, some foundation or concealer will work just fine. Whatever you have, just to tint it will work, okay? Because it really like absorbed the product. And yeah. So the hairline is pre-plucked. Like they did that with this. Like this looks like a professional job, okay? And then the lace comes pre-cut already, kind of in that zigzag motion, so it's very hard to detect the lace, which I love, okay? And then the wig came curled already, y'all. It came styled already, oh my goodness. So it comes with these big bouncy curls that are just gorgeous, y'all. And don't get me started on the hair. The hair is really soft, like really soft, like it feels really good, like some high quality hair all the way to the ends. So I love this wig, y'all. I did finger comb the curls out. I didn't want to kind of like get them jacked up, but I want them to stay, okay? I do think that they also kind of layered it because as you can see, there is that kind of angle going down, so it is kind of layered in the front to give that kind of you know. And then also in this one, they do include an elastic band in here. So I do have that on. And the band has gel on it. So the band has gel on it, which means that like it's not going nowhere. So I love that. They put the gel there. And then there is a comb in the back. Unfortunately, this wig is really small, so I don't really use the back comb unless like I'm going to be doing extra activity or something like that. But other than that, like this wig is on, y'all. Like what? It's really on, and it's really giving sexy bedroom hair. Like I'm just really feeling this wig, y'all. Like there's no cons. There was, when I did finger comb it, there was a few hairs that were coming out or whatever, but like after that there was nothing else. So I highly recommend this one, y'all. Like wow, this one was really ready to go. Like really. Like this is for my beginners. This is for people, like I'm getting really spoiled with these wigs because they're coming ready to go, ready to wear. You don't have to do anything. I didn't even have to curl this. Like what? Like I love this wig, y'all. I love this one so much. Really a 10 out of 10 for me. Like I don't know what else to say. Oh my gosh, I just keep looking at myself in the viewfinder thinking, girl, Wiggins, y'all did that. You guys check this one out. Like I said, this wig review is going to be short, sweet, simple, and to the point because this is the wig, a 10 out of 10, and you need this. You need it. Like, need it. Need it. Need it. No, but seriously, let me know what you guys think about this one down in the comments. Have you ever worn hair from Wiggins Hair? Like, I might need to check them out again because the hair, like, girl, I need to try some new companies. I've been doing like the same companies been building partnerships with me and stuff. So I need to branch out, and hopefully this wig will do that. Hopefully this video gets views, y'all, because oh my god, my views have like sunk. And I know it's because I'm not being consistent, but at the same time, like it's very discouraging to not get views. So then I'm not posting. It's just like a circle, an endless loop or whatever. But trying to get better, y'all, and I appreciate everyone who watches my videos, comments, likes, all of that. Okay, I see everything. Even though I don't comment sometimes, I'll be real busy, y'all, real busy, but I do see everything, and I do appreciate all of y'all for real. Okay, But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments box. And as always, thanks for watching.